So hello guys, welcome back to the channel. So today we have very special guest with us. So currently he has given an interview in Capgemini for Java backend development role. So hi, welcome Akhilesh.
Hi Zaidi.
Yeah, so thank you so much for coming here actually because today's session will be very helpful for the guys who are looking for the jobs or who are like applying for interviews, who are preparing for interviews. So first of all, tell something about yourself, Akhilesh.
Hi Zaidi. Thank you for giving me this opportunity to be here. My name is Akhileshwaran, and I've been working as an analyst for about 5 years now. Uh, and I am, shifting my career from analyst to developer. Uh, and I have around 1 year of experience in software development in Java language. I think I've been learning from YouTube. I'm not actually a developer. I don't have experience right now, but
So
I'm
you are a fresher and now you are switching your career from as a business analyst to developer, right?
right, right. You are right.
Oh, so that is very interesting part actually because I would like to know about it and my viewers will also be getting the help from it. So like how you are preparing for Java because you told you are a business analyst for with 5 years of experience. So how you are preparing for Java course or Java language?
Okay. I have a lot of mentors. My One of my friend, he is also a Java developer. I look forward to him if I have any doubt. And also most of the time, if I have any doubt, I always go with YouTube.
So you
There are a lot
like
of
mostly basically you are learning from YouTube, right?
not most like certain topics I go look forward in YouTube. Like YouTube has good resources,
Okay.
and most of the time I directly visit my mentors and ask them if I have any doubts. And they have a lot of experience in that field, and they guide me what and where I'm doing mistakes.
So what other things you are learning with Java, like apart from Java, like what are the frameworks which you are learning?
Um, the main thing I'm focusing is Java and Spring Boot, Spring MVC, Spring Security, and microservices. And I know a little bit about AWS, Docker, and Kubernetes.
Okay.
Uh,
You have prepared your resume and where you are applying. How did you get this job opportunity in Capgemini, like the job interview?
okay, I was using this old template reference to create my resume, which
Okay.
I was struggling to get any calls or emails. So then I went to LinkedIn. My friend suggested me that open search for Java developer in LinkedIn and try to find any related resume and try to copy uh, that template into your resume. So I did that, and I think that gave me a very good result. And I'm getting around 1 to 2 calls a month.
Okay, great. So you are basically taking the examples of already available resumes on internet, right?
I mean, not exactly internet, on LinkedIn. Because you can
Yeah,
find
that
lot of templates on Google and everywhere, but you take those templates that already gave a person job.
okay, great. So you can get it through LinkedIn. You can guys search it. So because most of the guys will be asking me how to build resume, and already we have the examples available on LinkedIn as Achilles told us. So guys, you can get through it because resume is the first step to get any call. Because if you are not getting any call, then of course you will not get any job also. Have you taken Achilles? Have you taken any help from AI also? Any tool which you have used?
Uh, yes, I took help from Gemini. Firstly I created my resume and I uploaded that to Gemini and asked if I have made any mistakes, and it generated, yeah, really, Gemini generated some ATS words, and he asked me to add those words in my resume. That was,
Great.
yeah.
So actually, we can get help of AI also nowadays. You can give your PDF to AI. You can upload the PDF, and you can ask for the points. You can mention what you want to improve. It will tell actually where you need improvement. So Achilles, can you please tell us now how? you got the call, like where and all you are applying for the job?
I'm using platforms like Naukri, LinkedIn, uh, and I- Indeed. And also, like, if I'm getting any lead, right? Like, my friend gave me this HR email ID, and yeah, I'm directly sending my resume to companies.
Okay, so
So
coming to the Capgemini, so where did you apply for it? Have you applied directly or you they only sent you the invitation?
I applied not directly from the website. I applied on LinkedIn. I mean, on Naukri.com.
Naukri.com for Capgemini, right?
Capgemini.
Great. So, guys, it's not like that we are not getting any job from Naukri.com because there are so many rumors that now we are not getting anything from Naukri.com. It's not like that. See, he also said that he got the job opportunity from Naukri.com, and most of the guys which I have had sessions with, they also told that they are getting calls from Naukri.com. So it's not like that. You can use multiple job portals actually. Don't depend on one because few companies they post on one portal but they won't post on another portal. So it is better to look for different portals, right?
Right.
Can you please now tell us how was your first interview and what was the questions asked? Because this is the only the sole reason of this call actually.
Yeah, my first interview, like I said, is Capgemini, and it went around half an hour. The first question was asked by the interviewer was, "Tell me about yourself." So that's normal. Every interviewer asks that, right?
Great.
And without any right, I introduced myself. It went to around 2 3 minutes, and he directly jumped to coding round.
Oh,
I,
great.
huh,
So after introduction, there were no theory questions, just direct
nothing.
coding round.
Right. He directly
That's
jumped to coding.
amazing.
He asked me a question related to hash map. I think which was very easy, and I did, but I took little extra time to solve it.
Okay. So what was the coding round? What was the coding question actually?
The question was like, given a hash map, it has four values. Um, we already know that hash map has a key value pair.
Okay.
So keys are 1 2 3 4, and values are apple, mango, banana, and apple.
Okay.
So the repeated value apple, right? The fourth value, which is apple, which is repeating itself. We need to remove that, and we need to maintain a unique value record in
Oh.
hash map.
So did you complete that or you have
Uh,
incompletely left it?
no, I actually it was very easy. We just need to create one set, and if we need to insert that scene value in that set, and if the value is present in that set, we need to remove from the map. That's all. So
Okay.
uh, I completely did that code, but what I was trying to do, I was little panic, because it was my first interview, right? So I was using set.
Sorry to interrupt. So, guys, the first thing which I want to tell you is very important that you should not get panic. He got panicked, that's why he could not complete it. So, it is better to clearly focus on what tasks have been given to you. Don't get panicked for any case because the person who is taking your interview is also a human being, right? He is not some superior alien to you. So you should not get panicked. That is just, see, nothing will be gone from your hand. You're just trying for the job, right? You're not giving anything and taking, right? You're just giving your knowledge just to get a job. So it is better to be very confident about your task and do it properly. Continue.
I was in panic, so what I did, I was using this set to delete that record, so that the output was not generated.
Okay. So after that coding question, there were any other questions?
Uh, uh, the interviewer asked me about what is design pattern,
Okay.
and I knew what design pattern is, and he asked me whether I have implemented anywhere. So I said, because I've never implemented. I was totally honest in that interview. I said directly
No.
not, but I was knowing that whatever the bean is created in Spring Boot, that is a single pattern bean. Like whenever we try to inject object into a variable, Spring Boot always uses the first created bean. It will never create a new bean. Okay, new instance. It will always inject the first instance which it created at the beginning.
Okay.
So
So
I gave
guys,
that answer as a singleton.
so you were honest in that and you said you have not used it. Because if you would have said yes also, then he may ask another questions also, right, related to that. So it
Right.
is better to say you have not used, but keep in mind that don't directly say no, because that will have a bad impact on your interview. So you should say in a way that you have a good knowledge of it and you have come across such situations as Achilles said, but you have not properly used in your project. So that's what you can like say in that way, positive way, right? So apart from this design pattern, Achilles, there were any other questions also to you?
The next question he asked me, have I ever worked on microservices? I said yes, and he asked me, how can we call a microservices from another microservices? I knew the answer. I said we can call one microservice from another using OpenFeed or REST template. So he then directly asked me questions like, how do you implement REST template in your project? Actually, thing is, I never have worked on REST template. So I directly said, I've been only worked on REST template once in my project, but I have no idea. But most of the time, I'm working on OpenFeed. You can ask me questions related to OpenFeed. So then he asked me, is OpenFeed a asynchronous? OpenFin calls are asynchronous or synchronous. I knew this answer. I directly said OpenFin calls are synchronous. Then he said, how can we, make OpenFin calls as asynchronous? Actually, I have never worked on asynchronous calls, so I directly said I have no idea.
Okay. So any other questions?
The same old questions like what is hash map and internal working of hash map, and difference between collection and collections, and uh, uh, difference between, and that's all I think. I think he never went in detail in core Java. He was asking questions mostly related to uh, Spring Boot
So it
and
was for
microservices.
fresher or experienced post
Actually, I'm a fresher, but the uh, interview which I went
applied for?
for lead software developer, so it
Okay,
was
that was for 4 to 5 years of experience guy, right?
it was around 4 to 5 years. But
Okay.
I'm happy that I got this opportunity to give
Yeah,
this
that's
answer.
that's very good that you have faced
At
this
least
kind
I
of
learned
interview.
something, right?
Great, great. So, Achilles, one thing I forgot to ask that they called you for the interview or you got just mail?
Uh, no, I haven't received any call from Capgemini. I directly received the email from them.
Great. So that is also very interesting as because most of the people will be thinking that they have applied and they are not getting anything and they will not be checking their mail. So that is the very like important thing which we should keep in mind that most of the MNCs they won't call directly for 1 or 2 interview rounds. They directly call for the selection. So it is better to keep on checking your mail because they you may get the mail and you may miss it, so the date will be gone, right? So that is very good thing that Achilles has told that he keep on checks mail, right?
Right.
Okay, so I think that's it for today.
I have one question for you.
Yeah, please.
So, in the end, right, when the interview was getting finished, I asked the interviewer a question.
Okay.
Like you have around 5 to 6 years of experience, right? So I
Okay,
want to clear this doubt.
sure, sure, you can ask.
In the end, right, I asked him about my feedback, what interview went, and he said that it's against the policy, that giving feedback is against the policy. Is that true?
Yeah, actually, interviewer don't share the feedback because I have also come across with the such situations, and I have also asked the same question as you, and they usually say this same thing that HR will give the feedback or HR will give the result, so just
Okay.
wait. So they
Okay.
won't share the feedback also. Actually, if like sometimes like few people, few interviewers can like they will not exactly tell the result of your interview, but they will just highlight where and all you are like you have to improve yourself, that too very in rare case, like they will not usually tell this.
Okay.
So, Akhilesh, thank you so much for coming here in this podcast. So, anyone of you who wants to join with me or who wants to share their interview experience, because anyhow, at last, this will help others, and helping others is the good thing. So, that is my rule actually. So, that's why I have started this series where I am taking the podcast. I am having podcast with multiple guys who wants to like share their experience of interview of any company. It can be a startup, it can be or MNC, or you got selected or not. So because ultimately we should help each other, that is this is our domain, right? So we should help each other. So Achilles, thank you so much for coming here, and thank you so much for guys watching this video. Please
Thank you.
like, share and subscribe. Thank you, Achilles. Bye.
Thank you, Siddhi. Bye.